Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use true Form Mahito. To begin, understand that this powerful state, known as the instant spirit body of distorted killing, is activated by reshaping one's own soul. This transformation provides a massive boost, increasing all physical attributes by 200%. It grants incredible durability and offensive capabilities, making him a formidable opponent in any confrontation. Next, let's delve into Idol Transfiguration, Mahito's innate curse technique. With just a single touch, you can alter the shape of an opponent's soul, leading to instant defeat for most. This versatile ability also allows you to freely transform your own body, creating sharp blades or blunt instruments for offense. Furthermore, you can heal even the most grievous wounds by simply reshaping your own soul. Now we explore the apex of Mahito's power, his domain expansion, self-embodiment of perfection. Once activated, this technique guarantees direct contact with the souls of all within its barrier. This means you can instantly transfigure multiple opponents at once without needing physical touch. Against nearly 95% of sorcerers, this domain expansion is an almost unbeatable technique, ensuring a swift victory. Finally, let's discuss advanced combat tactics. Utilize soul multiplicity to merge souls, creating devastating attacks like Body Repel, which launches transfigured humans. You can also form polymorphic soul isomers, stable transfigured beings that serve as excellent distractions. Always remember Mahito's sharp intellect. Continuously analyze your opponents and adapt your strategies to learn and grow stronger with every battle.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.